Welcome to Jar Life, our biggest project and business opportunity ever, cryptocurrency. A while back, we asked you Jar Lifestylers if you would be interested if Jar Lifestyle introduced its own cryptocurrencies. An overwhelming number of you, more than 2 million, responded positively. The huge show of hands spurred us to study the cryptocurrency business seriously. After many months of intense search, research and work, we were now in the position to talk about our biggest projects since we are starting our Jar Lifestyle adventure in early 2020. We have negotiated and come to an agreement with a crypto specialist company to take care of this project. Now they have built the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem for us. This will allow faster payment of bonuses and purchases of product packs. Most importantly, this will be able to provide you an additional income opportunity for all our members. First, there were first thing that Jala introduced was ads, where we can see the ads, and if you refer person from there also you can earn. Now this is the second opportunity about the crypto which was discussed from so many days. Right? A cryptocurrency income potential. The new structure will provide you several ways to maximize your investment and returns. You can simply own this coin and have returns as the price rises. You will be able to stake your coins to the platform and receive a continual passive income on your funds, and you can even loan your coins to your users and get interest paid directly into your crypto wallet. These are the only three of the many ways you can benefit from the cryptocurrency platform. Coin price. With a starting value of only 1 euro cent, it is equal to euro 0.01 euro per coin. This will allow your crypto partner to source the necessary liquidity for full operation while making sure it will not be possible for problems such as rug pulls to happen, meaning an early investment on initial stages of the projects can bring you a return up to 350 times your investment. This cryptocurrency will give you returns of 350 times. And second, staking. What is staking? By committing your funds to the platform, you can get a passive income up to 15% per year (APY) paid directly into your wallet. This is effortless by simple staking and letting your funds stay there as you keep FD in a bank's fixed deposit. So in the coins also you will be given a platform where you can stake your coins. Later in the project, NFTs will be introduced. Unique NFT is that can be traded and used to make your investment go up to the incredible levels. Through NFTs, they will help you. Microcredit loans. You will introduce a micro loan structure that will allow your user to loan out your assets and receive interest up to 25%. This is also a good deal. When will it be available? The project is structured in several ways. More detailed information on the phase will come your way in the following newsletter. Phase 1 is an investment phase. It will be available in the beginning of December 2020. It can be available in this week before 15th. It can be available anytime. This will be a short and very limited phase, and the sole purpose of funding all the structure and measures that will ensure the proper functioning of the platform. Phase 2 will start after speed phase of phase 1 ends, and all your gifted coins will be on your crypto wallets. See conditions below. Current gifted crypto coins in your Jar Life accounts. Important notice. A Jar Lifestyle crypto coins actual name will only be announced a day before we launch phase 1. Nowadays now the name is not launched. Now we are just saying Jar Lifestyle crypto coin. The name will be giving a new name. Please note, the only members who have done their personal verification activity at least one of their lifestyle accounts will become eligible to receive crypto wallet automatically with the gifted coins allocated to them, credited in your respective crypto wallets. Let's say when you register, done your personal verification, You were gifted some 20 crypto coins. It is talking about this gifted coins. This will require no action from you. The user, remember, you only need to personally verified, have an active lifestyle account. These coins will be able to seen in your blockchain explorer and will be able to be moved from phase 2. As company has already told us some name of some blockchains in the earlier newsletter. So you can first you need to do your personal verification. If you have done free, you have to do your personal verification first. If you do now, you'll get up 20 crypto coins. Then after that, you need to activate your lifestyle account. Means there are 18, 50 euro, 100 euro and 3 euro. Whichever is possible, you can do it. In that also, there are number of benefits in that on all that packages also. You kindly go in the website and kindly check it out. As a Jar Lifestyle member, you have been allocated free Jar Lifestyle crypto when you were a teammate in a 7-level personal lifestyle network brought product packs such as advertising sponsorship packs, Jar Life activation combo packs, Jar Lifestyle sponsorship packs and Jar Lifestyle program premium packs. When you purchase these packs, you got 200% of your value of your purchase value. Here is saying when you got 20 coins, when you purchase did a personal value, you got 220 crypto coins. When you did a personal value of 10 euro, you were given 200% 20 coins. Means 20 coins they gave while you did your personal verification. That is 200% on 10 euro. When you purchase this pack, you get 200 value of the value of purchase value and the crypto coin bonuses. For example, when you currently purchase a 100 sponsorship pack, you will be gifted or you will be eligible to allocate into 100 into 200%. That is 200 euro in your Jar Lifestyle account. Means when you purchase activate a 100 Jar Lifestyle program pack of 100 euro, you will get 200 euro Jar Life coin crypto bonus. In fact, when you and your teammates purchase sponsorship packs, you were simply gifted with free Jar Lifestyle crypto coins. There were different promotions at different times in your past. As he has mentioned here earlier, there were different packages earlier which many people have purchased. You all have got free crypto coins. Means those who have purchased 100 euro, they got 200 coins. Who has purchased 200 crypto this activity advertising pack, they were got 400 crypto coins, and those who activated 300 activation combo, so they got 600 crypto coins, 200%. Many of you, as a result of the activity in the past, may now have thousands of euros worth of Jar Lifestyle crypto bonus allocated to you. Check out your personal overview page. You may see the following above your Jar Lifestyle program, where you can see your crypto bonus coins. Just above the lifestyle program status in the overview page in the Jar Lifestyle account. You would be eligible of euro this in Jar Lifestyle crypto. This will be seen that the euro this much coins. That means where those who have activated with done personal verification, they got 20 euro 20 Jar Lifestyle crypto. These are personal possible scenario of earning additional income during phase 1. This free Jar Lifestyle crypto bonuses you will be eligible for will be converted to Jar Lifestyle crypto coins when phase 1 of your cryptocurrency program starts in early December. It is saying before in first week or second week, early December. This is provided you have done your PV and your personal lifestyle program status is active. Means you have to activate. You must first do your personal verification. If you are done free, first need to do your personal verification. Then you have to activate your lifestyle program status, that is 18 euro or 50 euro or 100 euro or 300, whichever is which is available in your pocket. It is no force that you have to take 100 euro, 300. You can take by 18 euro also. But first you should have done your personal verification by 10 euro. Then you can have to do your lifestyle program. if your coin has to be converted. This that is, you have to activate at least 1848 lifestyle accounts, anything. Scenario 1. Let's say you have 10,000 euro as Jai Lifestyle crypto bonus, and assuming you have done your PV and your lifestyle program status is active, your 10,000 euro will be eligible to receive 10,000 into 100, means you will be receiving 10 lakh crypto coins. 10,000 into 100, 10 lakh crypto coins valued at a euro 0.01, that is 1 euro cent per coin. Imagine during phase 1 your crypto coins value goes up to euro 0.10 or 10% per coin. You would be have earned 1 lakh into 0.10, that is almost 1 lakh euro. Imagine during phase 1 of a crypto coin value up to euro 0.10% or even 10% per coin, you would have earned 1 lakh into euro 0.10, means it is almost 1 lakh euros. That is 10 times the original value of a 10,000 euro. Imagine if your coin value goes up to 0.01 to 1 euro, and you do your maths on your calculator, you will know the value, how much it will become. Scenario 2. Those of you who have purchased, say, euro 100 advertising sponsorship pack and received euro 100 into 200%, that is, he had received 200 euro JALAP crypto coins bonuses. Please take a moment to understand the following. When a phase 1 of a JALAP crypto program starts, your 200 euro will be eligible to receive 200 into 100, means you will have received 20,000 JALAP coin at the value of euro 0.01 value, provided you have done. You must have, the condition is that you have your personal verification and you have activated any of your JALAP account. This is a condition. To get this converted, you need to do your personal verification, and second is you need to activate any of your JALAP account, 1850, anything. If during phase 1 a crypto value increases to 0.01 to 0.10, this I have explained you. If during phase 1 a crypto value increases from euro 0.01 to 0.10 euro, 10 folds, your free crypto coins awarded to you would have earned 20,000 into 0.10, that is 2,000 euro. Means you have spent 100 euro on buying advertising sponsorship and you have earned 2,000 euro. This is equivalent to 20 times your original purchase price. Means you have purchased for 100 euro, you got 200 euro. The 200 euro converted into 20,000 coins, and when its value becomes euro 0.10, you have already earned 2,000 euro by spending only 100 euro. You still have your 20 advertising sponsorship referral when the advertising program starts presenting 60 paid ads per day. You will be happy to earn your direct and referral advertising bonus also. Means when you had purchased the advertising program, there were some things. There were you all got SIM 3, 4 PV. You got 60 advertising. You all got 20 advertising referral sponsorship also. That persons will see your advertising. From that also you will be earning, and this extra from crypto coin also you will be earning. So you by purchasing 100 euro activation, you have gained so much. See, you have gained so much profit. In advertising also, when the 60 ads comes, then also you will be earning, and crypto coins also you are earning. Imagine during the phase 1 of your lifestyle crypto coins, value rises up to 1 euro. Now you only calculate. Now if you have to say 2,000 euro and it goes to 1 euro, you only calculate what will be the value. I will not tell you. You can calculate how much will be your value. Scenario 3. For those of you who are eagerly waiting to withdraw your lifestyle commission, instead of that, let us say you spend 1200 to buy 4 packs into Euro 300 lifestyle, 2400 a free lifestyle crypto bonus. Now say if you buy 1000, if you want to buy 1200 euro pack of 300 euro pack or into 4 into 300 means you have euro 1200 euro pack you are buying of 300 euro. You will be gifted 1200 into 200% coins means 2000. You will be getting 2400 euro free lifestyle crypto bonuses. Means your coins will become how much? 2400 into 100 means your coin you will get 2,40,000 crypto coins, and your value will become 2400 euro. If during phase 1 the crypto coin value rises to 0.10 euro per coin, what will happen? This 2,40,000 into 0.10 euro is going to 24,000 euro. But just buying 1,200 by taking just euro 1,200 purchase, now you have 24,000, 20 times your initial outlay means you have taken pack of 300 euro, 4 packs you have taken. That value has become around 24,000, 20 times your initial outlay. Not only that, you would now have 4 into 10. In that pack also you in 300 new packs, activation pack, you were given 10 people around you. Sponsorship referral in your level 1. Your Euro 18 lifestyle account is also activated in that, and at least for 4 months it is activated. Those who have taken around this 300 euros pack. This activation pack is valid for 4 months. You need not activate every month. Of your 18 euro lifestyle account is activated for 4 months. If you activate today, so December, January, February, March. This is valid till March. This activation. You need not activate again and again. These 40 directs will be able to participate with you in all 4 lifestyle accounts of a Lifestyle 2 program, provided they do their PV and activated their 18 euro lifestyle account to start with us. Plus, they will also be able to watch the ads with you and earn referral advertising bonus for you, because the company that the 10 people that are given, they will do team for you. And if they also activate the 18 euro pack, then you will get your activation with your MLB starting. And importantly, these 10 people will also see the ads, and that also you will earning money extra. Good news, when we announced a 100 euro and 300 lifestyle sponsorship pack, in this euro it was announced that 100 euro 3% will be shown in your direct lifestyle account, JAR lifestyle account. These 3 people will create a team for you, those who are finding it difficult to create a team. And the 300 euro lifestyle, what was it? The company had given 10 people under you. The 10 people will help you to make a team in JAR Life account. Those who are finding it difficult to create a team. And in that 100 euro, the activation was for 2 months. If you do today, it will activate till January end. And for 300 euro, it will activate for 3 months. For 2 months. Today, from December and January. In 2 months you get activation for this if you purchase these 2 packs. And most importantly, this 3 and 10 people will do your MLB, will create a MLB income for you. They create a team. Those people are finding it difficult to create a team. Remember this pack will be ending soon. Take this benefit, because many people are finding to create a team. By purchasing this pack, these 2 packs will help you to create a team. We are confirming hereby that there is only a limited number of this lifestyle sponsorship package available from now till we launch our lifestyle crypto coin in early December. In this month, this 100 euro and 300 will end. So what is saying forward? We are happy to announce that there will be currently only 5000 into 100 euro pack and 5000 into 300 lifestyle sponsorship pack available for the members to purchase from now till the launch of our crypto program. Once the crypto coins is launched, this 100 euro and 300 lifestyle sponsorship pack will be end. Then you cannot create a, they will not give you the 3 members and 10 people. That team which you are finding to make, that you are not able to make. So better purchase this packs. This packs will help you. Only 5000 are available. As soon as the crypto is come in the market, they will close down this offer. Take some time to check out your current status and take the necessary action if possible. By the way, no one is compelled to purchase these packages. It is not a compulsory. If you want to do, company is just helping you. If you want to do, you can do or you cannot do. If your purse allows you to purchase 100 euro coin, 100 euro, 300 euro activation do, you can do. If you don't want, you cannot do. Don't do. If your purse allows, you can do it. Company is not forcing anyone. They are just helping you out. These are the following. Now below all these things were explained in the earlier. They are explaining here. A rug pull is a type of scam where developers abandon a project to take your investor money. The rug pull was mentioned in the earlier lines. Annual percentage yield APY was also mentioned. Acts as a cryptocurrency saving account similar to an annual percentage rate APR account. You may deposit your coin and receive a fixed rate of return over a specific period of time. Some 15% was mentioned of annual percentage yield. 15%, 10% was mentioned earlier. Staking. By staking coin, what is staking also is mentioned in the earlier this. Staking is a way to put your crypto coin to work and earn rewards on it. Staking cryptocurrency is a process which involves committing your crypto assets to support a blockchain network and confirm transaction. It is available with cryptocurrency that use the proof of stake model to process payments. NFT also is mentioned. What is NFT? NFT is a non-fungible token. It is a digital asset which will be introduced afterwards that represents real world objects like art, music, in-game items and videos. They are bought and sold online frequently with cryptocurrency, and they are generally encoded with some underlying software as many cryptos. Microcredit loan is a common form of microfinance that involves an extremely small loan given to an individual to help them become a self-employed or grow a small business. These borrowers tend to be low-income individuals, especially from less developed countries, LDCs. Microcredit loan also is mentioned earlier. Blockchain Explorer is a blockchain research engine that allows you to search for a particular piece of information on the blockchain. The activities carried out on the crypto blockchains are known as transaction, where occurs when cryptocurrencies are sent to you from a wallet address. So this is all the updates of the cryptocurrency, crypto coins. So it will be starting. It is said in early December. It is first week or second week. So be ready. You have to do 2 things. You have to do your personal verification if you have not done it. If you do it right now, you get 20 coins advantage. If you don't do, once this coin is launched, the 20 coins you will not get. But then also you have to do your personal verification also. If you don't have coin, you don't need. Then you have to, when it comes in the market, then you can purchase from the market only, then you can purchase there. But right now, those who have done their personal verification, they need to do your activation pack. They have to activate their MLB, means 18 euro or 50 euro. In that way the coins will be converted. Means if you have 20 coins, that will convert into 2000 coins in your wallet. That will be converted. So this is two important things: personal verification and activation, 18 euro or 50 euro to convert the coins into your wallet. Thank you.